As an educator, you need a powerful tool to organize overwhelming data, calculate grades, track student progress, and make planning templates. Excel is a spreadsheet program that provides those features and more. The focus of this course is how Excel can be used to increase your students' understanding and achievement. The hands-on exercises are tied to actual classroom and administrative activities, including formulas, calculations, charting, hyperlinks, and publishing on the web. In this course, we'll also go beyond the basics, teaching you beginner, intermediate, and advanced Excel features. Students will learn how to configure and navigate an Excel screen, enter and edit data, format cell text and values, enter basic and complex formulas, add graphic elements, create headers and footers, and more. Using these skills, you will create budgets in a project of your choice using Excel. And by the end of this course, you will have a strong understanding of Excel's features and how to use them in the classroom.